In this video, we are going to show you how easy it is to connect Growmessage with ChatGPT. Let's start by adding our WhatsApp number in Growmessage. Scan the QR code using your WhatsApp application in your smartphone. Click on WhatsApp to open the profile. Then click on Chatbot. Click on Add Item. Set status to enable, default response to yes. Then select Send to Individual to send only to one number. Set type to contains whole keyword. Add a name for the chatbot flow. Description is optional. Set a keyword. Then presence delay to typing with between 1 to 25 seconds. This will show a typing status while the chatbot is responding to messages. You can select Disable to skip this option. On caption, select Use AI. This will activate the AI chatbot response. Next, add your data to train ChatGPT to respond according to the information in this text area. You can include location, instructions, office timings, product list with pricing, and any other information you want the chatbot to handle. Once done, click on Submit. We will now connect our ChatGPT API to Growmessage. Open the ChatGPT settings by clicking on More Options. Set the status to Enable. Now, proceed to open AI to get your API. You use the link in the description to create your own API. To do that, click on your profile on the top right corner and select View API Keys. Then click on Create Secret Key. Copy the key and then paste it to Growmessage chatbot settings. Keep the default settings for temperature and model. Then click on Submit. Make sure to activate the chatbot bit, change the status to Enable. Now, let's go over to WhatsApp to test our AI chatbot. There you have it. You now have a 24/7 agent that answers inquiries for you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to get more videos on how to use WhatsApp to help you grow your business.